be a wild activation on March 14th. Full moon with lunar eclipse. Saturn and Neptune lurk in the background of the sun. Physicists still do not know the specific dark energy that is being released into space, and that is being circulated by the expanding atomic nuclei. This dark energy is activated during alignments, and the more strongly, the more direct the alignment is. Yes, there are congestion areas of energy that is being released into space in the atomic nuclei that are being circulated by the energy that is being released into space, and thus they automatically push each other away from each other in the same proportion as they are expanding. On March 14th, the Earth will be in the area between the Moon and Saturn early in the morning. A few hours from now, and immediately, very directly in the area between the Moon and the Sun, and in the evening still in the area between the Moon and Neptune. The Sun is activating the dark energy that originates from Saturn and Neptune. Also the dark energy that originates from the Moon and Earth. This is how these already activated dark energies from Saturn and Neptune meet for a long time. Already activated dark energy that originates from the Earth and the Moon. And thus we have strongly activated dark energy spreading into space, which collides with the expanding atomic nuclei of the Earth, which is expanding much more than normal. The internal pressure of the Earth increases. Volcanoes are activated. Earthquakes are often delayed because the internal pressure increases in a balanced way but is removed in an unbalanced way. It seems that direct alignments also cause heavy rains and floods, snowstorms. Several direct alignments for a short time enable tornado outbreaks. If you live or are traveling in one of the southern countries, follow the weather reports carefully on the 14th of March. Of course, there are still a few days after the 14th. On the 9th of March, the Earth is quite directly in the area between the Moon and Mars. Right around the 12th, Saturn is at its most directly behind the Sun. This is a big activation. Fortunately, Saturn is not directly behind the Sun at any point. The effect of this alignment is only just fading as I follow the completely exceptional full moon with lunar eclipse, because now two gas planets are lurking behind the Sun. Saturn and Neptune. On the 19th of March, Neptune is at its most directly behind the Sun. Fortunately, not at any point directly behind the Sun, but more directly than Saturn on the 12th. It might not be a good idea to go near volcanoes at any point in March. It might be a good idea to avoid areas that have been active during January and February. For example, Santorini and the Caribbean areas where there have been many earthquakes in January and February. There have been an exceptionally high number of rare direct alignments involving Mars, Saturn and Neptune with Moon and Earth.